Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday, the 8th of January, 11:36 now, 10:36 in the UK, so we're on Central European time. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. What we're doing now is we've just gone over the total market cap. There is another video out there. Now we're going to go over the blue chips. So what's happening with the blue chips? Yeah, so still strength on the on XLM and ADA. But due to the fact that they've made some big moves, they could end up moving significantly to the downside. Looking at this on the daily, we have XLM, ADA, XRP's pushing bullish at the moment. She's having a bit of a push there. Everything else is looking like what? So we've actually done quite a big push on some of these. So this could be a quick move, which could just be a flush out against many of these. So I'm not too worried right now, apart from the rejection at the weekly. So this is the daily whip trend. I don't like a V reversal on the whip trend, which is what we had here. So yesterday we were looking at sells, weren't we? We were like, really, there's nothing really too amazing to shout home about. But if we just put this on at the bottom, we can just see that yes, the daily got rejected at the weekly. So if we have a lower push here, it just takes maybe some of that sentiment out and flushes some of these leveraged longs, and then we could even get going again. But again, yeah, we have to be very careful. To focus on what's going to outperform, underperform, and what have you today, we have Bitcoin is a bit of a mixed bag, but looks like, a lot of money in this panic will probably go over into Bitcoin, sorry. Ethereum's a mixed bag. Litecoin's a mixed bag. BNB looking good. I just saw a news article this morning for BNB about some potential good news that it's being held as a reserve for a certain country. XRP's bullish against a lot of these, not itself yet, but it's an outperform compared to most of the other cryptos. ADA at the moment flicking into a sell itself and underperform against others. But because of the interest in ADA over the last several days, it might just find like a bit of stability. Neo underperform, VeChain underperform, XLM mixed bag, but could outperform, and that's because of the strength remaining over there. Quant underperform, Band underperform, Link underperform, Solana underperform, AVAX underperform, Near underperform, Comp, Atom underperform, and Aave underperform. So the only ones that look really anything that could have a bit of strength, there's only three that are probably bullish there on the blue chip side. So there's XLM, ADA, and XRP, but it's nothing to be really excited about. Then when it comes to whip trend, yeah, XRP looks okay apart from being a sell itself. So if the market is going to turn bearish, everything will be bearish. It's just that XRP might not go down as fast as everything else. Yeah, so drop into the 4 hour, bearing in mind we've got the XRP, ADA, XLM. Let's drop to the 4 hour, see what's going on. Yeah, XRP looks like everything's bearish at the moment. We don't want to be buying anything down here. But what we can see is XRP is grinding a bit faster than everything else. On the 4 hour, we are turning into a bit of a buy, but because of this push on the 4 hour and this strength here, wherever it bounce to, expect a retest and probably take out lows. The daily is bearish. Let's see if we can turn that on there. Yep. So this is the 4 hour on the daily. So the daily's rolling along here, and you can see the 4 hour being supported, test being supported, and then rolls over into a sell. So at the moment, I can see a bounce maybe on the 4 hour. Let's have a look at the actual individual cryptos in a second, but I can see a bit of a push up and then a rejection on the daily. So let's keep that in mind and let's go and have a look at nothing's good over here. Let's be serious. Bitcoin rolling into a bit of a sell and underperform against everything. You're going to have people probably jumping into some assets that look like they're moving. So these might be opportunities for the odd percent here and there. But to be honest with you, I think more looking at the 4 hour, we need to be sitting on hands and being careful before we confirm anything. Litecoin looks like it's going to outperform. BNB underperform. It could turn into a buy itself. XRP looks like it's turning into a buy itself on the 4 hour, but could end up being a bit toppy on the performance against others. ADA is a sell, underperform, and maybe finding support. This is a healthy move. So five down. It's like everything's dropped 15%, hasn't it? It's quite an aggressive move, enough to scare people when they just thought they'd made some money. Neo underperforms, sell. VeChain, but they look like they're trying to find a base, don't they? So let's watch those over the next. We can drop to the 1 hour in a minute. XLM overperform, turning into a buy maybe. Quant maybe turning into a buy, but mixed against everything else. Band and Link turning into a buy, but underperform against everything else, which kind of rolls with the daily looking awful. Solana, same. AVAX, Near, Comp, Atom, Lend. Yeah, nothing looks good. If we drop to the 1 hour and just have a see what's going on for quick gains, bearing in mind everything else, higher time frames don't look very good. XRP, push, push. No, no, no. Who else? Yeah, XRP's the only bullish one there, actually, on the 1 hour. Everything else, yeah, I'm not really enthused about the blue chips today. So I'm going to release this video now. Not looking amazing, guys. Stop recording. Yeah, please like, subscribe. Join us in the next one, which is the movers I'm doing now.